all. Here, I will tell you about the grammatical and lexical cohesions. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Rosli Tauli Banjarnahor. I'm from Group B. My registration number is 19120061. Okay, I will start. Some items that can be used to develop cohesions in a discourse, that is grammatical and lexical cohesions. Before we are continue to the material, I will tell you what is called as cohesions by Halliday and Hassan 1976 already worked that cohesions, relations of meaning that exist within the text. So, in a discourse, when you would like to develop a good discourse, it should have connections. Connections is in meaning so that the readers will understand easily the whole ideas of the discourse itself, because all of sentences are connected in meanings. So how to develop connections? Cohesions have two types. There are two types of cohesions according to the linguistics. The first one is grammatical. Grammatical is referring to the structural content. It means that a language has structures, and the language structures is used to create chronologically or maybe a good relations of meaning in a discourse, which means you have to pay attention on how language is structured correctly. So previously we have discussed about reference, substitution, ellipsis, and conjunctions. All of those four items are contribute to the developed grammatical discourse. And the second one is lexical. Lexical is referring to the language of the pitch. It means that there is a language content in a discourse that must be chosen correctly as essential pitch to develop meaningful discourse. The meaning of the text is influenced with the selections of vocabulary by Halliday and Hassan, related to the language item that can be used to create cohesion in class of flexi. Types of lexical deals with the use of reiterations, items related to each other and to other cohesive device, so that textual continuity is created. Lexical cohesions deals with reiteration and repetition and collection. Repetition, sometimes you repeat the similar words, or sometimes you choose a synonym of the certain words in another sentence because you would like to avoid poor time, or maybe you would like to create link between the first sentence and a second sentence. And sometimes you can also use collections when there are also coordinations that words are coming together to words are coming together. Summary, according to Halliday and Hassan 1976. Types questions are to grammatical contents of reference include exophoric, endophoric, anaphoric, kata for it, and include exophoric that one word substitution another one, like you can use one of substitution of a book, for example ellipsis. You omit some part of talks or discourse because it's been understood from the content. Conjunctions you can use like moreover, additions, or any other conjunctions to create questions. The next one is lexical that can be categorized into. The first is related interactions. You can use synonym, you can use subordinations, or maybe you can use another part of the interactions, and you can also use collections. So from this collection, so from this video you have learning that there are two categories. So from this video you have learned that there are two categories or grouping of items to create cohesion in creating a good discourse. So I think that's all my explanation about the grammatical and lexical cohesion. So I say thank you.